Cheers. Okay, time for some food. It's a beautiful day today. You gotta love this time of year, as I've made quite clear before. A plate is very helpful. Well, Owen had a day today, he had to work his day job, and he found out that he cannot come on the canoeing adventure, so we will see what happens there. We'll just have to, I don't know. I do believe I'm still gonna go, and as it stands, I'm going by myself. Well, you'll be with me, so I guess therefore I'm not totally alone. It's funny how it feels like I'm actually talking to someone sitting here with me. A little mustard. It's all I've got is mustard. Not many other condiments, but that's all good. With some beans. Dinner of champions. I won't bore you with the fine greatness of me eating. Talk to you in a bit. Gotta have one more. They're way too good. Sausages are awesome on their own, but cooked on the fire, oh my gosh, freaking awesome. There's like 4 more here if anybody wants one, so come and get it. More than welcome. It's almost hot chocolate time, I think. Oh yeah. Mustard in the beard. Oh. Well, that's it for tonight. It's a quick one. Came in for a little bit of food, chilled out a little bit, burned a couple more little tiny stumps, but mainly just so we could have some dinner together. So appreciate it, and I'll catch you next time. All right, take care.